Alright, it's Saturday in the McCulley household, and we are deciding on privacy for our pergola and what to do with it.
So many options. What's the best way? What's the easiest way? What's cost or what economical? Yeah. I'm excited. I've been wanting this ever since we moved here. There's a lot of stuff I've wanted ever since we moved here. But yeah, we're just projecting it up.
Hey, to be fair, you wanted a pergola and I built that for you.
You're right.
Alright, so I just measured from here to here, which is 93, right?
Yep.
So the 2x4s are 8 feet, so they're 96. So obviously we'd be cutting 3 inches off if they were flush, but we don't want to do flush. We want to have like a gap. I was thinking like a 3-inch gap, so we cut them at like 86, cut like a whole foot off of them. And then the whole thing will be, if we go 3 feet tall, like that's 3 feet right there, which is above my head, definitely above your head. And then it'll
I'm good with that.
What?
I'm good with that.
Yeah?
Yeah, I didn't think I was, but that's good.
But even if we did, because 3 feet is from here to here, and we could leave a gap here. So we could actually go 2.5 feet, which would be 2.5 feet right there. Which if we centered it up, you know, I'm a little bit over it.
The higher the better, and the less of a space down below the better.
Okay, so we want to go. So that's 3 feet flush.
Okay.
So if we just stayed at 3 feet and put like a little bit of a space,
Yeah.
then we'd have it right there.
Okay.
For those of you watching and thinking Matt doesn't know what he's doing, you would be correct. But I mean, hey!
Good job!
Have you ever done that before?
One long screw.
I'm just gonna split it.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, we can buy brackets.
Yeah. I feel like that would be the better. Put them on the back side. I've seen black brackets. You don't even want to have to paint. I want it to be closer together.
Well, you want to be real close.
I do.
That's gonna be a lot of weight. That's why I said 2.5. I was telling Shannon this, but he didn't get it. But I was like, if you cover up the 2x4, it creates a natural border and gives it a more flush look.
I see what you're saying. Cut these off with the inch flush with the outside piece.
Yeah, see how that's just covering the 2x4.
Yeah.
It adds more weight, but overall it looks cleaner, I think.
Well, and you're saying like do the edges like that.
Oh, well,
Cut those flush.
no. I mean, they're gonna be flush here.
That's what I'm talking about.
See this?
That's fine. I'm talking about the edges.
Yeah. Obviously, we can do that.
But I thought we were doing it on the back side, but you're saying do it on the front side.
Well, this is the side that people are gonna see.
That's what I'm saying. This is the front.
Yeah.
I thought we were attaching everything to the back.
No. Unless you want to look at the nicer side.
I want to look at the nicer side.
Okay.
We're confused.
This is gonna be on the inside where you were.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. But originally, I thought you were attaching this to the back so that we didn't see where it was attached.
What everybody else sees. Because I thought you were just worried about privacy. I was kind of worried about what our yard looks like to people.
Okay.
But
No, I like all the thoughts. I don't know about this. I get what you're saying, but I think it's gonna be fine.
Alright, so I think we may have figured out how to get this thing up. So as you see, I put these brackets on, and then once we get the actual part that will be the privacy on, we will use these guys. Ooh, that kind of works out too. They will go on like that, hopefully. And then this part will go onto the pergola. We'll smash the pumpkins for you. Yep. Now we gotta go do a Skype call with Kristen and Lawrence, our Ventura buddies. So since I last spoke to you guys, we had a Zoom call for an hour and a half with our friends, and I had some whiskey. Jimmy. But what I learned from this is that we were getting these brackets, these L brackets were good, but they didn't come all the way to the end. They didn't come all the way out and where I cut, and so like when I went to pick it up, it was still like little wobbles. It wasn't connected everywhere. But that made me just put on these brackets that we bought that we're actually going to use to connect to the pergola sooner, which is giving the support I need, and everything's working out. Like, I'm sure there's guys that are going to watch this, and girls like Amanda, that are going to like criticize everything I do. But for like right now in this moment, I feel like I kind of know what I'm doing. You don't think so?
I didn't argue.
You laughed.
Yeah, because I just thought it was a funny statement. I certainly think you're doing a great job. I certainly think you're doing a great job. Because this was something that I like to jump in and try things, but this was something that kind of intimidated me. So
the reason why it's taken, how long have we had this pergola? 3 years?
yeah.
And we've wanted to do this is because, and I told Shannon when we were getting stuff, I was like, dude, I am ready to give up on this. And he's like, but we haven't even started yet. I'm like, yeah, like, this is way out of my wheelhouse. That's why we haven't done it yet. Like, I am still at the point where if you want to stop everything and hire someone, I will do it. But
Not today. We're going to get this sucker up, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. But
oh, shit. Okay, to you guys, we just cut to the next clip. What you don't realize is that between the last clip and this one, I got more wood. Why did I get more wood? Well, do you remember when I was talking about how good I am at woodworking? And how impressed with myself I am? Cut it too short. So, I have to redo it. I could have just left that out, and you would have never known. The illusions, Michael. But it's a vlog, and I'm fucking being honest with you. Shit. So here we are. Can we just talk about how every time I do a shot from the garage to the car, it's always blown out? That shot in all my videos the last 2 weeks has been blown out. It's driving me nuts.
did you fix it?
I fixed it, but I ran out of daylight and battery to the drill. They should make gas.
That'd be so
Drills.
weird.
It'd work a hell of a lot better.
So, it's getting there. I got one board up. We don't have it mounted yet. Well, I'm glad that it works down. It's not too small. And of course I want it up, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so it's not like we would get to enjoy it anyways. And I felt bad for you. I did.
Why?
Well, because I know that was frustrating. And You felt really good about yourself, and then you...
So I'm putting this little segment in here because we didn't film me putting it together after we got back because things were a little tense. What?
You're trying to make it seem like it was like awful. It was
No, I was
fine.
just a little aggravated, and then I was doing it, and then Blair didn't record, so we don't have anything. And
I was helping you.
I'm just telling how it is.
But your face and your talk, it makes it sound like...
Okay, then you come sit here and tell me how it was.
It was pretty tense.
I mean, you just...
No, you were just like, oh, it wasn't that bad. Like, yeah, you were tense and you were
No one's
frustrated.
gonna believe you because we're arguing right now.
But it wasn't that horrible, except for when you messed up a couple more times.
I did not mess up anymore.
Okay.
The drill bit? That's not on me. The drill bit popped off and broke.
I watched you snap it off.
No, you didn't. You watched me I tried to twist it one way, and it wouldn't work, so I tried to twist it another way, and in the process, no.
Anyways, it's fine.
You need to go take physics again.
Alright, come sit and tell your story. I won't interrupt you.
That was my story of how I was explaining that things were tense, and then you said things weren't tense, and came over here and picked another fight and made things tense.
We weren't fighting then.
I drew this morning, and now it's a real thing. I think we should go this to 6'5",
Okay.
because I don't think we know anybody
No.
over 6'4".
Right. And their eyes would not. I was okay for foreheads.
Yeah.
Who do we know 6'4"?
We know 6'4".
It comes to our house.
I mean, if my cousin ever came to visit me.
Oh. Well, let's just make sure we put it high enough for him.
And then, I don't know, Matt's 6'3",
Okay, okay.
Jason's 6'2", 6'3".
Okay, okay, okay.
Drew,
Drew, how tall is Drew?
Drew's taller than me.
Alright, fine. We need to go
Yeah.
taller than you. I mean, I want to go
I mean,
taller
I'm
than
6'1". I'm probably 6'3"
3 with
with
the man
the
bun?
hair.
Yeah.
So I don't want to just see my hair like bopping around.
It's not like we're going to be walking back and forth right here anyways. It's to sit and eat and eventually have a nice little sectional here and lounge area. So really down here is where we're going to need the privacy. I'm excited.